English-Hungarian. I will be.
Leszek.
Master the future, to be. Welcome. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun, fast way to speak better every day. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for transcripts, cheat sheets, and extra practice. Hey, time traveler. Today we'll master the Hungarian future of to be.
Leszek. Leszel. Ő lesz. Lesz. Leszünk. Ti lesztek. Ők lesznek.
Buckle up, no flux capacitor required. Your goal today. You'll confidently say who will be where and when, without sweating over grammar tables. I will be.
Leszek.
You will be, sing.
Leszel.
He, she will be.
Ő lesz.
It will be.
Lesz.
We will be.
Leszünk.
You will be, plural.
Ti lesztek.
They will be.
Ők lesznek.
Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, short, snappy, future happy. Tomorrow, I will be ready.
Holnap kész leszek.
If you study, you will be strong.
Ha tanulsz, erős leszel.
Big reveal. He, she will be the host.
Ő lesz a házigazda.
Don't worry, it will be fine.
Minden rendben lesz.
By noon, we will be there.
Délre ott leszünk.
Team announcement. You, plural, will be the starters.
Ti lesztek a kezdők.
Spoiler alert. They will be the winners.
Ők lesznek a győztesek.
Mini dialogues. Listen, smile, and echo the Hungarian out loud. A. What time is the meetup? B. At 8, I will be there. Quote.
8-kor ott leszek.
Quote. A. I'm nervous. B. You will be okay. Quote.
Rendben leszel.
Quote. A. Who's presenting? B. He will be. She will be. Quote.
Ő lesz.
Exclamation mark quote. A. Is the plan ready? B. It will be by morning. Quote.
Reggelre kész lesz.
Quote. A. Can we make it? B. We will be in Budapest by Friday. Quote.
Péntekre Budapesten leszünk.
Quote. Coach to the group. You will be champions. Quote.
Ti lesztek a bajnokok.
Exclamation mark quote. Host. They will be the next performers. Quote.
Ők lesznek a következő fellépők.
Quote. Call and response drills. I say the cue, you fire the Hungarian. Ready? Cue. I will be ready. Answer.
Kész leszek.
Cue. You, sing, will be at home. Answer.
Otthon leszel.
Cue. He will be the leader. Answer.
Ő lesz a vezető.
Cue. It will be a long day. Answer.
Hosszú nap lesz.
Cue. We will be there at noon. Answer.
Délben ott leszünk.
Cue. You, plural, will be the guests. Answer.
Ti lesztek a vendégek.
Cue. They will be first. Answer.
Ők lesznek az elsők.
Culture tip. Future without fuss. Here's a tiny trick that makes you sound natural. Hungarian uses.
Lesz.
A form of to be for the future, no helper like will. Keep it clean and confident.
Holnap jó idő lesz.
It will be good weather tomorrow.
Este otthon leszünk.
We will be at home in the evening.
Ők lesznek a vendégek.
They will be the guests. Quiz time. Fast quiz. Say the answer aloud before I reveal it. Q1, English. Hungarian. I will be. A.
Leszek.
Q2, English. Hungarian. You will be, sing. A.
Leszel.
Q3, fill the blank, he, she ___ the host. A.
Ő lesz.
A házigazda. Q4, translate, it will be worth it. A.
Érdemes lesz.
Q5, translate, we will be ready. A.
Készen leszünk.
Q6, translate, plural you will be amazing. A.
Ti lesztek csodásak.
Q7, translate, they will be here soon. A.
Hamarosan ők lesznek itt.
Final challenge. Time to flex your new superpower, use every form once. Build a mini pep talk that hits all 7. I will be, you, sing, will be, he or she will be, it will be, we will be, you, plural, will be, they will be. Model, one of many good answers.
Holnap időben leszek. Te készen leszel. Ő lesz a vezető. Minden rendben lesz. Együtt ott leszünk. Ti lesztek a sztárok.
S.
Ők lesznek a győztesek.
Exclamation mark quote. Thanks and next steps. Great work, high five. Keep the streak alive. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Practice these lines today, and tomorrow you'll say them without thinking, promise. For transcripts, flashcards, and extra drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.